Hi, I'm Who. I'm Andres.
Yeah.
I'm Chang, and we're Team Jack. As developers, we want to be able to give coherent and engaging technical presentations. However, this is difficult because we have to juggle between the presentation tool and other applications, such as the code editor, console, terminal, but only to have taken away the value of our message. So that's why we built DevDecks, a standalone, extensible presentation application that integrates the tools a developer may need, but also the ability to create and add on your own features. All right, let's hop out of presentation view and into a demo.
All right, so this is DevDecks. If you've ever used a presentational tool before, it probably looks familiar to you. But there are a few features that make DevDecks special. To demonstrate our code editing feature, let's first add a slide, and then add a code editor to that slide. By pressing on Import Code here, we can access the user's file system and import our code. Not only can we display this code, but DevDecks also makes it easy to highlight pieces of code. Let's start by highlighting the first line, where I want to make a note to my audience that DevDecks can access the Node API. Next, let's highlight the event emitter, and as well as the coffee event listener. Back in presentation view, we can see that being able to highlight your code makes it easy to direct your audience's attention where you want. Previously, you could only do this by making separate slides for each piece of code. Not only that, we can also click on Run Code here, which will spawn a console to the right, and after 3 seconds, let us know that our coffee is done.
So how is it possible for a developer to add a new feature to DevDecks? Our extensibility is built on our intuitive component API. Plugin state and update plugin allow the developer to easily access and update the Redux store. Once the store is updated, React sends the new plugin state to the slide back down to the plugin, triggering a re-render of the view.
So early in development, we wanted to create a solution to efficiently locate and resolve bugs and automate the build process. So we created a workflow for us to do so. To illustrate our workflow, let's go through an example of when a user encounters an error. First, Sentry silently sends the error directly to our Git workflow and communicates it to the team. The team then builds a fix for it and sends the new build over to Travis, where it looks for errors in the build and packages the new installer and sends the updated version directly to the server so that new users have access to the latest version. So what did this result in? This resulted in a much efficient workflow, almost no downtime, as well as happy users.
DevDecks is built on top of Node and Chrome, which opens up this infinite possibility of new features. The next time you give a presentation or a lecture, we hope you think about DevDecks. Come check us out at DevDecks.io.